Hello and welcome to House of Danfina. I would like to appreciate everyone who has subscribed to this channel. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly click on the subscribe icon to subscribe to our channel. Also remember to click on the bell icon to always get notified of our new videos. Thank you. Here I've already sketched the image that I want to use for the design. The next thing to do is to cut every bit of the image out and transfer the pieces on the material that I'll be using for the design. I'll be using felt for the design on the pillow cover. This color is for the body of the image and I'll use other colors for the costumes. I placed the paper cutout on the felt and marked it out. Then I'll carefully cut out the design. If you want your image to face a particular direction, be sure to place the paper cutout in the mirror direction at the back of your material. I'll be using the suede material for the pillow cover. Its size is 32 inches by 12.5 inches. After cutting out the body of the image on felt, I will repeat the same process for the hair and the costumes. Since I want the design to be at the center of the throw pillow, I placed the image at the center of the suede material. Here I've already stitched the body and the hair on the suede material. The next thing to do is to attach the costumes. The link to the video on how I made the throw pillow is in the description box. This is the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates on our videos. See you in the next video. Bye.